In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change audio speed in Audiomass. By the end, you'll know exactly how to load your audio, choose a section if you want, and adjust the speed with confidence, all right from your browser. First, open your preferred browser. Chrome or Firefox works best, and navigate to the Audiomass website. Once the page loads, bring in your audio. You can drag and drop an existing MP3 or WAV file directly onto the interface, or use the menu at the top by clicking File, then Open. After a moment, you'll see your audio displayed as a waveform, which is where all the editing takes place. If you'd like to change the speed of only a specific part of the clip, click and drag across the waveform to highlight just that section. You'll see the selected area shaded, confirming what's about to be affected. If you want to change the speed of the entire track, you can skip making a selection and apply the effect to everything at once. Now head to the top toolbar and click on Effect. From the list, choose Change Speed. Depending on the version of Audiomass you're using, you might see similar options like speed up or slow down pitch. They all lead you to the same kind of control, adjusting how fast or slow the audio plays. A dialog box will appear with a slider or an input field for a playback rate or percentage. Increasing the percentage speeds the audio up, making it shorter and higher in pitch. Decreasing it slows the audio down, making it longer and lower in pitch. Small adjustments, like a few percentage points, tend to sound more natural, while larger changes can be dramatic and may introduce artifacts, so it's a good idea to experiment thoughtfully. Before committing, look for a preview button in that dialog. Click it to hear how your adjustment sounds without permanently changing the file. If it's too fast or too slow, tweak the slider, preview again, and repeat until it matches your goal. This step is especially helpful if you're syncing to video or trying to preserve intelligibility in speech. Once you're happy with the result, click Apply, sometimes labeled Apply Rate. You'll see the waveform update immediately, reflecting the new timing. If you selected only part of the track, only that section will change. If not, the entire file will update. That's all you need to change audio speed in Audiomass quickly and accurately. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly paced audio.